Pressing the 5 key now gives us a little bit of color, and I bet you that's a 69 by 69 square. Let's look at the code. Here is the render pipeline load function, ArtGirl render pipeline load. We've added some new code for after the pipeline is all set up. We are grabbing the addresses of these variables here, and then we are setting them to the correct values. We're taking the address on the GPU and using the value on the CPU. So a GPU-CPU sync, basically. We're also going to do that same procedure every single frame, but we only need to grab these addresses at the time of loading the pipeline. We never have to get those addresses again until we reload a different pipeline. Little comment for the fact that we have now optimized that section, and we're done. So you can go here for the code, and if you want to see this described in a little bit more detail, you can go here to the slower tutorial. This has been video number 91, Camera Uniforms Part 3.